Hi, welcome to Wiki Techie and Kashan Product. This is Venkat. I'm going to talk about the fantastic area in Python. So Python dictionaries is one of the famous concept we are going to discuss today. So if you missed any of my previous video about Python tutorials and other things, just go to my channel. You can see all those contents. So if you missed it, just watch my other videos. Here is my channels. I got two channels. The one is like a Cashew Infotech. This channel is mainly focusing on the technology. Okay, and apart from that, you got Cashew Venkat on interview questions. You got a specific channel. So if you love it, as usual, the dialogue is simple. So subscribe to my channel and click that bell symbol. So every week, 3 to 4 videos, I'm going to put it in my channel. You can watch it. Apart from that, if you're looking for any technology or any concepts, just post that concepts in the comments of my channel. Look, I'm ready to do it for you. Okay, let's move on to the thing. So before that, it's my Insta account, Cashew Infotech. So click that follow button and you can contact me via my Insta account. Or else you can contact via my contact number also. So if you're looking for any queries, you can contact me. We are ready to help you. Yeah, before going ahead, I feel proud to tell you that I'm a Microsoft trained Smart .NET Green candidate, and I was awarded by Microsoft and certified by Microsoft. Okay, apart from that, I was certified as a machine learning specialist by Microsoft too. So I feel proud to share with you. Anyway, so if you are my student, so if you are the subscribers are my students studied in Cashew Infotech, we got some opening in Java, so you can contact us and send your resume so that we can send to the specific companies. We got some openings in cyber security also, and we got some opening in web designing also. So if you are looking for a job, send me the resume. One thing is they are looking for the students from Cashew Infotech. So please, you can send your resume to me. I'm ready to help you. Here is my technological tutorials, which I wrote it and I loaded here, wikidiki.com/tutorial. Just go and watch all my technological tutorials there. So today, what we are going to see today, so we are talking about the career path of learning this particular technology like Python, and what is the usage of the dictionaries in the real world, the real-time scenarios, and what is dictionary in Python. And finally, we are going to talk about some Python interview questions. Are you ready? Yes. So if you are looking for many students, they used to ask me a question, sir, I need a career change, sir. I need a career break, sir. I got arrears, sir. So I didn't finish my degree, sir. What I can do? The one thing is very simple. You need to go for a job. Internship is the right option. Go for internships and learn as much as you can. What is internship, sir? Internship is nothing but going to the company, well, learn from the company and work for the company. That is how the internship works. So if you are looking for internship, please contact us. Our company, Cashew Infotech, we got Cashew online internship and also Cashew offline internships. If you're looking for any kind of internships, please contact us. We are ready to help you. This is a shortcut to enter into the job. And if you talk about the technology, like I said, what I have to learn. So you must learn machine learning, artificial intelligence with the data science and Python. If you want to learn Python programming, machine learning, data science and artificial intelligence, these are the things you must learn to build your profile. So here is the contact numbers to contact or get some informations. And we are giving this Cashew Python certificate expert or Python machine learning experts. Okay, if you're looking for any kind of course like this, you can go ahead and contact us. So what is dictionary in Python? So let's move on. Here is a typical scenario. The scenario is like, sir, I want your software to be installed, sir. I want to put the license, sir. In that case, to put a license, they will give you a license key. Wow, it's a big key, man. So that is the value we need to load it to activate the software. In turn, can I have something, sir? Sir, the value is big, sir. I couldn't remember, sir. So can you give me some meaningful things? Cashew underscore software underscore key. That's awesome, man. It's very simple. So instead of your value, I can use the key so that automatically your mapping will be done. Okay, this is how the shortcut to remember or to manipulate this kind of complex areas. Okay, I'll tell you a typical another scenario for you. Okay, so the implementation of key and the value pass. See, that is a profile. So this is a profile I got. In this profile, we got some data like the name, company name, phone number, and we got lots and lots of details. Okay, what is the person's details, man? So instead of giving all the details about the user, Can I give a value for that, sir? Can I give you a key for that, sir? Sir, 258, sir, employee ID. Oh, 258, huh? So if you go for 258, I can get all the informations. If you go for this number, you can get the information. So obviously, this is how the key value pair starts. If the value is real complex, use a key to access it. So that is how your key value pair started. Okay, so this is how in the real-time world this key value pair started. So now let's talk about the dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a combination, a group of a key and a value pair. Instead of alpha, I can name it as A. Instead of beta, I can name it as B. Instead of gamma, I can name it as G. Instead of pi, I can name it as P. So this is how this is kind of a table. I'm able to create it, and it will take care of like a manipulating and mapping the data. Manipulating and mapping the data. So this is how the dictionary is. Dictionary is nothing but a table, a key value pair table. It is a box where I got my key and a value pairs. Okay, that is called as dictionaries. Okay, let's move on to the practical implementation. This is where the scenario where these dictionaries are used. Let's move on to the practical part. Dictionaries in Python. So this is how we are able to create the dictionary. So you can have the dictionary name here, Venkat Dix, a common name, a simple name. I got a simple name, Venkat Dix is equal to, you got the brace here, 1, a key and a value, comma, a key and a value, comma, a key and a value. Okay, so a table with that key and a value is created. The name of the table is Venkat Dix. Print of Venkat Dix will try to give all the data. Here, over here, I'm trying to give the key as an integer. So that is why the dictionary with the use of integer keys. Over here, the key can be a string or it can be an integer. The value can be a string and the value can be an integer, and there is a mixed values. Okay, so we will be having a group of values associated with one key. This is how we are able to create. So I'm trying to print the same like the dictionary here. Okay, over here you are able to see the dictionary here. You can see over there I got your Venkat Dix here. So I'm trying to implement it here. You can see it here, the implementation part. Okay, so this is the dictionary which I created. Okay, let me see the code here. Venkat Dix, I got 1 Cashew, 2 Infotech, 3 Python course. I'm trying to print it. You are able to see this is a dictionary which I created. It's a key value pair which I created. I'm trying to create another dictionary with a name with a Venkat Dix. And so once again the dictionary is created with a name as Cashew and one as a mix-up of multiple keys. You are able to see the name as Cashew with the one as multiple keys. This is how you are able to create the dictionaries. Now I teach you like how to create the dictionaries. Okay, now we'll talk about like what are the different things we can do with this dictionaries, or what kind of different storage I'm able to map it. The one thing is like we can have an empty dictionary like this. Sir, I don't have any key value pairs and data, sir. Yes, you can have it. This is an empty dictionary. Can I have some inbuilt functions, sir, to indicate that, hey, this is a dictionary, man? So for that, we need this a dict keyword. This is a dict keyword which tells you that the created one is a dictionary. Okay, the created one is a dictionary. You are able to see the same Venkat Dict is equal to, I don't want this dict method, but it is an inbuilt method available for the dictionary. So I'm trying to explain it to you. Apart from that, like, sir, can I have the data as it is, as entire dictionary, sir, the data as it is, sir? No, you can separate it, sir. We can separate it like this also, with a bracket and a comma separation. Okay, I can have the data directly. I can have this alternative also. Okay, dictionary with each item as a pair. This item as a pair and this item as a pair. Over here, this is also a pair, but still it is into a single table. Okay, so we are able to use this dict method to list down all the data, or you can use a dict method to group the data like this as a pair. Okay, let's move on to the practical implementation of how these dictionaries are working. Okay, with the dict method. Okay, yes, you are able to see the empty dictionary here. So Venkat Dix, you got the empty dictionary. I'm trying to print it. The second thing is like you are able to say dict is a method where I can have the data, everything given. Okay, I'm trying to print it here. You are able to see it here. Okay, and over here, creating a dictionary with the value pass and everything. You are able to see the empty dictionaries here. Empty dictionaries here. So I'm trying to run the module. Yeah, you are able to see it here. This is the output I got. So the first one is empty dictionary. The first one is empty dictionary. I'm trying to show you the empty dictionary. And the second is like dictionary with dict method. You can have the dict method here in the dictionary. And I'm trying to show you the pairing of elements in the dictionary. Okay, this is how your dictionaries are used. Okay, now it's time for me to do some processing with these dictionaries. Let's move on to some practical part of processing the dictionaries now. Okay, if you talk about the processing of dictionaries, yes, access the dictionaries in Python. So I'm trying to see, like, yes, sir, the data is stored, sir. I need to access the data, sir. So venkatdict.keys will try to get all the keys. Venkatdict.values, the dictionary.values will try to fetch all the values. This is the key, dict1 and dict2 is the key. 1 gigs, name for, these are all called as values. So Venkat equal to, I got the dictionary with the multiple elements with a dictionary, a key, and it is kind of a nested dictionary. Nested dictionary. So there is a dictionary, like inside it there is another dictionary. That is called as nested dictionary. So I got a dictionary which got a dictionary inside it once again. That is called as nested. So inside it, so dictionary inside it there is another dictionary available. Okay, sir. Over here, I got the value, sir. Key, sir. I need the value, sir. In that value, I got once again the key value, sir. This is called as nested dictionary. To list down a specific value, the specific key using the key, you are able to fetch this one. To list down a specific value, dict1 of 1, I'll get this output. Okay, for dict1, I'll get the 1 full colon gigs, and dict1 of 1, I'll get this value. I'm trying to get this value, and dict2 of name, you will get this far. Okay, this is how. And keys, we will be having dict1 and dict2 will come. Values, you'll have this one is value and this one is value. This is how your nested dictionary works. Okay, it's time for me to show you practically how it works. So you are able to say Venkat dict is equal to dict1 and one colon of Casio. You are able to see it here. You are able to see it here. 1 colon of Casio. So this is the one. So I'm trying to print Venkat dict of dict1. So 1 colon Casio, you get it. And the other one is dict1 of 1. Dict1 of 1 is Casio. Dict2 of name is far. Good. Now I'm trying to fetch the keys. So keys dict1 and dict2 is the keys. And values, you are able to see this one is the value and this one is the value. This is how you are able to access the variables and the keys and the values in a dictionary, and we can access it from the nested dictionary also. This is called as nested dictionary. Mosquito. Okay, let's move on here. So let's move on to the next area. What we are going to do, like the operations in the dictionaries. So we are going to look into the operations in the dictionaries in Python. The dictionary operations in Python. You are able to see it here. I got the dictionary 1 Casio, 2 Infotech, 3 Venkat. Venkat dict of 2 is this one. And delete. Oh, you want me to delete it? So this Infotech will get deleted. Over here 1 Casio, 2 Infotech, 3 Venkat. Pop of 1 is removing. Delete and pop is kind of a similar thing. It is trying to remove this concept. So 1 of Casio will be removed. You'll get this 2 and 3 comes into the dictionary. Stay in the dictionary. Pop item. In that case, it will take out the last one. Okay. Last in, first out. Okay. Last in, first out. LIFO, kind of. LIFO. The last in, first out. That is your stack process will flow. Your stack will like the last in, first out. That is how the stack operation works. Okay, stack operation, because it is a pop is the operations for the stack. The pop item will try to remove this particular guy. So in Casio is there, Infotech is there, Venkat is there. So Venkat will be getting removed. Okay, so delete of dictionary. I want to delete the entire dictionary. So clear is the method used in deleting the dictionary. Okay, so yes, let's move on here to see how it works. Yes, the deleting the item or deleting elements, you are able to see it here. Yes, like I'm trying to like a Venkat dict 1, 2, 3 is there. Delete of Venkat dict of 2, infotech is removed here. Good. Okay, so over here, pop of 1 Kashiv is removed here. Okay, it is correct. Now Venkat dict 3, pop item. So 3 Venkat is removed here. And delete of dictionary will clear, will delete everything. Okay, this is how your operations in dictionaries can be achieved. So hope you got an idea. Like yeah, 2 info tag is removed, pop 1, so this one is removed, pop item, this one is removed, and your clear will remove the entire dictionary. Entire dictionary is removed. Okay, this is how the operations works. So like before going it further, like I want to share you great news. Our company Kashiv Infotech, we are providing Kashiv Infotech certified ethical hacking expert. And we are training you in lots and lots of technologies with the 2 operating system, Kali Linux and Parrot OS. If you're interested, you just contact us via my contact number and WhatsApp number. And we are training an advanced security specialist program with complete CCNA networking, with the ethical hacking concepts, with the cyber security and penetration testing, and complete blockchain concepts. And here's the contact numbers to contact us. Okay, what else we are going to see it? So here is the interview questions. So for Python related interview questions, like what you have to do is like just go to my website. So the link is kashoinfotech.com/python-internship. Just go to this link. This is a link where you have to go. So just scroll down to the bottom. So just scroll down. Yes, I'm trying to scroll down. Scrolling down. Wow, I got some interviews. What is Python? We got a lot of interview questions here. Good. With the picturization, that is good, man. So scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. So you got what is Python? We got some introductions and details and everything is there. Just watch it. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We got a lot of yeah. You just watch it. You're seeing me twice in the yeah, the more interview questions on Python. So you got lots and lots of interview questions. Just check it out. So before going for an interview, please go to this link and learn as much as you can. I'm trying to load lots and lots of questions. Don't worry. Okay. Anyway, so here is my Insta account to contact me. Just click the follow button and you can contact me. Our company Kashiv Infotech, we are providing lots and lots of technological trainings, Python internship, Python projects, and Python courses via online and also offline. Okay, so here's my websites and contact number is given here, and here is the machine learning course link and Python course links, so you can use it. And here's the internship links available for Python and machine learning, and in-plant training links for Python and machine learning. So it's there, just you can, like I'll put it in the description, you can use it. Yeah, our company Kashiv, we are providing online internships via kashiv.com, and we got our direct internships at our Chennai office. And I request you people to share this particular video to your friends and everyone. It's time for me to say a goodbye to you. Thanks for watching this session. These are some of the programs we are conducting in our company, and beyond that we got a lot of sessions also. Thanks for watching. This is Venkat signing off from WikiTechie and Kashiv. Thank you.